Welcome to this backyard oasis, heated kidney-shaped in-ground pool with pergola and paved patio. Backyard hardscape with beautiful decor, and professionally landscaped. Vinyl siding and natural stone complements the home well. Just steps from Lake Lenape. Open foyer welcomes you. French doors lead to family room. Gorgeous family room with built-in home theater speakers. Elegant European wood-burning stove. Updated kitchen with granite counters and stainless steel appliances. Open floor plan boasts gleaming hardwood floors and gas fireplace. Updated bathroom with jetted tub. Nice sized powder room. Master bedroom tastefully painted with chair rail and crown molding,